Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I want to show you something that's really beautiful. Look at this gorgeous container. Isn't this lovely? It's like end of season. It's greens and it's whites and it's dull and it's just got all, and look, it's got a little frog on here. It's just beautiful. I made this because I've had a request from Delia, who lives in New York. She loves the green and white designs. She had a container similar to this, but hers was much, much nicer than mine. But if I need something, I can easily do it. So Delia loves dogwood. She loves green and white hydrangeas, and she loves Calla lilies. She wants something that is permanent, that she can just look at and it'll just connect her room and give her some balancing, soothing, harmonizing vibes. She's heard me talk about green and white and how lovely they are in a room. She's got all the materials, but she doesn't know how to put them into this kind of a container. Because whatever way she did it, they just all fell apart. And she said, you've got these little roundy balls of the hydrangeas, Astar, and then you've got the sticks of the dogwood, and it just wasn't sitting right. And she wanted something that was a little bit flowy, but not too much in it. And where do you put these? She said to me, like, I looked at these and I looked at these, and she said, I didn't know what to do. Honestly, Astar, I've walked away from it. So I said to her to sit down, have a cup of tea, leave it to me, and I would do a tutorial. So for anybody else who wants greens and whites and can't get them to go into containers like this, I'm here to help. First things in need to be the dogwood. So we're going to have a dogwood up because that's what she loves, and we're going to have a dogwood going down. Now, as I have put these into this container, I've picked up a little bit of ikebana skills over the years. And what you do is you cross your stems when you put them in. So that's going that way and that one's going that way, and it's crossing so that we've got a little bit of an anchor. Next to go in are going to be, I think, these. Let's get these in, shall we? And let's have these in with equal distance between each one. So now what we've done is we've got this beautiful collar or billowing cushion for everything else to rest. So the eye comes up here, and when you look at the dogwood, there's little bits of dogwood and all sorts of lovely little things into there. So that is what we're going to start with. Eye hits this, comes in, has a wee bit of a little resting moment over the beautiful round billowing hydrangeas. Now, she wanted some green ones. So let's bring a green one into there, and then let's bring a green one down into there. I have to be very careful with my placements. Okay, so we've got, that can go down a bit. So far, so good. I'm loving it. Let me just turn it around and just let me have a wee look at it. Yes, that's looking good. However, it needs something else. So let's bring in a little bit of spiral gum. And we're going to put a bit of spiral gum there, just like that. See, it just needed another line to match in with this. That one there. And then we have this one over here. Now, I'm just going to lift this one at the back up ever so slightly so that the eye hits this and it drifts across to there and it drifts across there like triangles or a pyramid. Pyramid lying down, pyramid sitting up, strongest visual, strongest form. Now, the Calla lilies. There, Calla lilies resting on top of the beautiful pillow of gorgeous hydrangea. I've lifted the green up ever so slightly to go over there. If you wanted to, you could lift the Calla lilies up. It's entirely over to you. I hope I have solved a design problem for you all who don't know how to put simple forms together that look elegant, classic, timeless and will just give you a moment of, visual soothing. Hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day. Bye for now.